Hello everyone, welcome to our 21 days answer writing challenge for CAPF AC 2026 paper 2. Today we will discuss the model answer discussions for day 9, which will be dealing with the report writing. The model answers of this question and other days answers can be downloaded from our app, the link of which will be given in the description to this particular video. So moving on to the question on report writing. The question is about personality rights in India. Recently, Ms. Aishwarya Rai has filed a case in Mumbai High Court regarding the infringement of her personality rights in various advertisements in the digital on social media platform. So this is the news background for this particular topic. So we'll move on with the approach or the structuring of this particular report writing. So in this, you can simply start with an introduction elaborating what do you understand by this personality rights or celebrity rights, and followed by that, we can discuss about the legal foundations that deal with this particular personality rights and what are the various issues or challenges associated with this personality rights, especially in the digital era, and recommendations or suggestions to deal with such issues. And finally, you can conclude. So for a 2-page report writing, this 4 to 5 dimensions would be a decent enough answer if you are able to elaborate it properly with some relevant quality content. So moving on with the introduction, your introduction should be the definition of personality rights, personality or celebrity rights. Personality or celebrity rights. Describing this should be your introduction, which is nothing but a safeguard an individual's safeguard. Personality rights or individual celebrity rights are nothing but the safeguards that are bestowed upon an individual, especially the celebrity people, against the misuse of their names, images, or other personal attributes associated with that particular person. So this is about this, a brief about personality rights or celebrity rights. Moving on with the legal provisions or the legal frameworks. In India, we don't have any standalone framework to deal with exclusively with the personality rights, but there are various constitutional provisions and statutory provisions that indirectly protect this personality rights. So when it comes to constitutional provision, we have this Article 21, which deals with right to life and personal liberty, where the Supreme Court has interpreted this particular this particular article to include right to privacy and dignity. Privacy and dignity, which including this celebrity rights, which will come under this right to privacy. And then we also have this Copyrights Act 1957 and Trademarks Act, Indian Trademarks Act 1999. So both these deal with the protection of this brand name, image, etc. associated with any individual. Brand name, image, etc. So, and similarly, Supreme Court has also dealt with this personality rights in certain cases. Like first one is ICC Development Case 2003, where the Supreme Court has recognized the existence of celebrity rights for the first time. Recognition of celebrity rights. And in one more case, and then Titan Industries case of 2012. Supreme Court has held that the use of Amitabh Bachchan's image without his consent was a violation of his celebrity rights. So these are some of the Supreme Court cases associated with this particular personality rights, and then issues or challenges associated with the personality rights, issues or challenges, especially in the digital era. First of all, this fake endorsement. Even recently, we have come across a deep fake scam. There was an article that highlighted the deep fake scam where a woman has been duped of close to 1 crore rupees by deceiving her with a deep fake video where our Honorable Prime Minister, Finance Minister Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman was seemed to be endorsing a particular application for investments, especially into this cryptocurrency. So this particular lady simply believed in this particular video as original or authentic, and then she invested in the platforms or the application that this scamsters have promoted, and finally she has lost around close to 1 crore rupees. So this fake endorsement is a major issue, and then this privacy intrusion of this celebrity people. Privacy intrusion, and then third one is privacy intrusion of celebrity people. Third one is manipulation of images. Manipulation of images and its consequent misuse. Example, this Rashmika Mandana case that we have come across a few months back. All these can be highlighted here. And one more thing is the issue of conflict between privacy rights. Conflict between the celebrities' privacy rights versus common people's right to freedom of speech and expression under Article 19. So these are some of the issues, freedom of speech and expression under Article 19. These are some of the issues or challenges associated with this particular personality rights. And when it comes to recommendations or suggestions, you can simply state that a separate provision or a separate section can be added under either this Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023 or this Indian IT Act 2000. A separate provision to deal exclusively with this personality rights can be added under any of this particular act. This can be your passing a reference or a recommendation to the government. And in the conclusion part, you can say how to maintain a fine balance, like bringing with a standalone legal framework. Bring a standalone legal framework protecting the privacy and dignity of celebrities. Privacy and dignity of celebrities, and maintaining a fine balance between this privacy and dignity versus this freedom of speech and expression of the common people. So emphasize the need for bringing in a separate framework to deal with this particular personality right, especially given the various advancements in the artificial intelligence and its consequent impact on various celebrities. So that is it for this particular report writing. As usual, you can download the model answer for this particular report writing from our app, the link of which will be given in the description to this particular video. That's it. Thank you.